So this video is about for those person who make the New Year resolution but they are not able to stick on it, and again next year they are making the same New Year resolution and again they fail, right? And then after they just realize that I can never work on it, it doesn't work for me. So you need to realize that you are the same person who was 31st of December. It's just a change of the date, right? Your goal don't depend on that what you write down. It depends on that who you are, right? So no matter how many goals you make, it's not gonna work until unless you make some sort of changes in your mindset and in your habits. So now I'm gonna give you 3 reasons just because of that your resolution doesn't work, and as well as I'll give you the solution of it. So the number 1 reason is that we all make unrealistic and incorrect goal. So what is unrealistic and incorrect goal? Let me give you one example. Like if I say I want to lose weight, or if I say I want to earn money. So do you think that this is realistic and correct goal? No, it is an incorrect goal just because I didn't mention any number on it, right? If I say I want to lose weight, I should say I want to lose 5 kg or 6 kg or 10 kg. Right? And if I say I want to earn money, so I should write down that I want to earn 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 5 lakh or 10 lakh rupees per month or per year. This is called realistic goal. But make sure that you need to put a date on it, because if you don't put the date on it, it may take you years and years, and you won't be able to work on it continuously just because you haven't mentioned the date on it, right? And you may give up on it as well, right? Just because I just want to say that incorrect goal leads to incorrect result. Now, number 2 reason is that we have lack of realistic plan. We are just setting the goal, but we are not setting the plan. And just because you have written something on a piece of a paper, it doesn't mean you are gonna having it. So you need to have a realistic plan. But we have a very bad habit. We don't make a plan like where are we going and what we need to add in our plan. And even if we make the plan, but we don't know that how does our day look like. We don't try to know that what all the things we are doing in whole day, are these things helping me to reach my goal or not. Because we can easily make out that how does this person is going to succeed in their life by looking how does his day look like. So now number 3 reason is that fluctuating motivations. And you need to understand that we are just human. We can't be motivated all the time, but the day your actions start to happen beyond your mood, your success is start to happen. So what you need to do is that you need to have a calendar and make a promise to yourself that I won't rely on my mood. I will rely on my calendar, and make your to-do list each and every single day, right? And then you need to make your first priority to that work that can help you to reach towards your goal. Because I know it for a fact that if you take 1 step towards your goal will take 10 steps towards you. So I hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, please do like and subscribe. Have a nice day.